In this video, what we're going to do is convert our mouse clicks to touch events. And the primary reason we want to do this is so we can get our games to run on mobile devices. So I'm taking what I worked on existingly in the click events video. So if you want to check that out, go ahead and check that out. If not, all I did was create two text events, two layouts, and then I have um, an event sheet where if I click on this start game text, it just goes to the layout. So right now we have mouse as our piece. So I'm going to go back to my titles layout and just double click, and let's go ahead and go to where we add or wait, hold on, did I pass it up? There it is, input, and we're going to click on touch. So the nice thing is when we use a touch, if there's no touch enabled devices or anything like that, it will use a mouse click as well. So we don't have to code for both. You can if you wanted to, but on the free version, you only have so many lines of code you could use. So you want to kind of be very careful with that. So what we're going to do now is go to the title event sheet, and I'm going to go one line underneath it, write it, and then show you how this works. So I'm going to click on add event, and this time I'm going to click on touch, and now I get a bunch of more options. So what we want to do on double tap, on hold, on tap, uh, double tap object, on hold over object, on tap object, uh, compare orientations and so forth, and pick any of these pieces here. We're going to click on touched object, or triggered when an object is touched. So same as a click event. You hit next, it's going to ask you which one. We're going to do or start game text, and we're going to hit OK and click on done. And we can now duplicate this line. So I'm going to right click on it and go to copy, and then I'm going to right click and paste, and it's going to say, oh, do you want to be able to do this? Yes. So now I could paste again, and oh, it didn't paste. Let's see, Control V, Control C, Control V. That worked. There we go. All right. So now I'm going to get rid of this right here. So by right clicking, and I am going to toggle disable, and it puts a little cross over it. So it's almost like commenting out your code. So now we can go ahead and click on play and go here, and I'm still able to click and go to the next scene. So this is how you can move this over. So now this will work on a mobile phone for touch-based events.